Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 Ultra and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can swipe down to open the menu or simply tap on this arrow, it's totally up to you. And here we've got the timer, so let's tap on it. In this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So just tap on the option I'd like to use. I'll choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is highlighted. What's more, after getting back to the camera, you can see that here we've got the timer indicator, let's say, so you can always quickly check whether you've got the timer set or not. So now simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, if you want, you can quickly turn off the timer simply just by tapping on this icon right here, and we've got this information that the timer is off. So from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. And of course, if you want to change the timer, you have to enter in this section, tap on the timer and choose any other option. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.